Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming two essentials. Your implant slot is level 12, and you've saved 5,000 credits because the vendor charges a fee. Once done, immediately accept the dockyard side quest that unlocks the NPC who sells the dual wield blueprint. Move toward the dockyard and equip your scanner mod V2 to reveal hidden terminals. Don't wander. Go straight to the marked building, clear light patrols, and interact with the blue console to trigger the merchant spawn. Once you have the blueprint, choose Purchase or Targeted Looting. Merchants guarantee the item for $5,000 while alpha crates have a 12% drop rate. Next, gather components. 3 micro hinges and 2 power cores are common in Mech salvage fields. The dual bus chip drops from the mid-boss at the southwest platform. Make sure to bank components to avoid loss. Head to a level 3 crafting bench, load the blueprint and materials, then start the crafting process. Expect a short warm-up window where interrupts can fail production. After crafting, install the dual wield chip into your right side implant slot and immediately test on a combat dummy to verify activation. You should see dual wield animation and attack speed increase. If not, relog to refresh status effects. If crafting fails, it's usually an interrupt. Move to a safe zone, ensure no nearby enemies, and craft again to prevent failure. If the vendor is missing, complete the full dockyard quest chain and the NPC will respawn. That resolves most spawning bugs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.